Hello guys, in this video I am going to be sharing with you two stocks from the Tata groups that you can look for trading opportunities in the coming weeks. So if you are new to this channel, this is Sagar Bhatt, and in this channel I teach price action trading. So if that is something that interests you, then consider subscribing to our channel. So let's get started. Now if you have observed, almost all of the Tata stocks have given phenomenal returns after the corona crash, starting from Tata Consultancy to Tata Communication. Now I had shared Tata LXI setup when the price was around this level, okay, in Twitter, and the reason was very simple. This was the pattern breakout that I had observed, right? And also you can see what can we observe here. So I shared it around here, right? We can see that before it gave a breakout there was this good accumulation, right? So and then we can see that since then the price has gone up almost by 25%, right? And also I had shared Tata Power in our last analysis video. You all know that this is where I had shared, right? And since then within a week it has given almost 12% returns, right? I am still holding this stock. Now coming to the point, what are the two stocks that you can look for opportunities in the coming weeks? Well, the first stock is everybody's favorite, which is Tata Motors. We can see that in this month, in the month of September and October, Tata Motors have given huge move, okay? So let us understand in the bigger picture what has happened with Tata Motors, okay? Let me just switch to weekly time frame, and what do we see? We see that Tata Motors had peaked in price during the 2015 bull run, and then it had entered a bear market, right? Since then, after the corona crash, the stock has made a low of 65 rupees, right? Which is at this point is almost impossible to believe. So after the corona crash, everything changed. Price went from 65 and now to a high of 382. So now if you just move on to 4-hour time frame, what do we see? We see that Tata Motors had been inside this channel pattern for almost 6 months now, right? It has been inside this channel pattern, and now recently it has given this breakout. So I am personally bullish on this stock, and I feel that it can give very good moves in the coming weeks. Now the point comes where to keep our stop loss, right? So first of all, regarding the entry, now some people enter right here, alright? So even I sometimes, I don't wait for pullbacks, I just enter right away and keep a decent stop loss. So what can you do? You can enter either directly at this price, or you can wait for some pullback and take the entry. So now regarding the stop loss, where can we keep stop loss? So if you just zoom out, we see that this was the most, like this was you can see a good support here, right? So you can consider keeping your stop loss below this level, right, and keep a decent target. Also we can see good buying volume here, so this can turn out to be a good swing trade, right? So many people ask me what is the one of the most reliable ways of making money in the stock market. I say it's swing trading, okay? So personally swing trading has helped me a lot and have made good profits from swing trading, because here we are not focusing on getting small profits, but we are focusing on big profits, 10, 20, 30%, and that's what our target is. So if you are someone who is interested to learn about swing trading, then you are welcome to join our community, and check the description for more details. That is all with Tata Motors. Now moving on with the next stock. The next stock that I am looking for opportunities is Tata Chemicals, right? So let us understand Tata Chemicals. So if you just scroll back and see what has happened with this stock, we can see that after Tata Chemicals gave breakout from this channel pattern in the last December, around the last December, we can see that the bull run has been huge, right? The price almost went from, like, it had rallied from 300 to almost 1000, okay? So now where do I see opportunity? Now I see that recently Tata Chemicals has given this beautiful channel pattern breakout, right? It has given this good breakout, and also it has retested back, and now I personally feel that it's ready for the next run. So if you are considering entering here, make sure your stop loss is below this level, okay, because there can be some pullbacks and then the uptrend can continue. Now again, these are not calls, right? I'm just sharing my analysis with you. My analysis can go right, my analysis can go wrong, but what we can do properly is to manage your risk. So make sure that you are managing your risk in a right way, and only enter if you see very good risk reward, right? So if I am looking for entering opportunities, the minimum that I look for is 1:2. So if you are getting something more than 1:2, then you can consider taking the trade. So these are the two stocks that I'm looking for opportunities, that is Tata Motors and Tata Chemicals. I am personally more bullish on Tata Chemicals. Reason is simple, Tata Chemicals is already at its all-time high, so it can perform very well. Okay, so if you found this video informative, and I'm damn sure you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.